Oh, hello, beautiful children. Here comes your Chapter 9, Part 2 quizzy pre-test worked out by the PD Pablo. Okay, I took out some of the G of X's and F of X from all the questions to make it easy on all of you. Number 1 was baby food. Order from narrowest to widest. Everybody know 2 is tin, and then 1, and then anything fraction related is going to be chubsy. That is D. I hope that was easy for everybody, right? Ignore the opens up or down nonsense. We only care about the lead coefficient if it's a whole number, and put it in from whole number to fraction order. That was D. Okay. Now, let's discuss the difference. Again, I cut out the y equals. The difference between these two. Negative opens down, fraction wider, and then a C of negative 2, okay, slide down 2, compared to little baby food x squared. Boring, okay? And the only choice, and there was lots of words, the only one that made sense from that list was C. And you got to take your time, unfortunately, and kind of read through all of them. There was a little hiccup along the way. Just focus on what you know. This one opens down, it's wider, and it's a slide down 2 compared to boring. All right, number 3, easy cash. First thing we do, let's set up our factoring. X and X multiplies to negative 1 and adds to 2. We're talking plus 3 and minus 1. Not done yet. We got to kill the rabbit. Everybody, something plus 3, negative 3, and something minus 1, 1. That is also C, okay? Looking for the correct answers. Here we go. Number 4, naughty, naughty. The lead coefficient cannot be what? A negative or a fraction, right? So we got to flip everybody before we start. That was tricksy. I hope some of you got it. Shout out to Henry bringing that up. Quickly. X squared minus 14x, yes, plus 49. Now we're ready, okay? Equals 0. The lead coefficient has to be positive. Let's attack this one. Everybody sees x minus 7 as an answer, right? X minus 7. So that means our only choice for number 4 is A, kill both of these, 7. Nice little trick on that one, okay? Be careful. Scroll down to number 5, easy cash, perfect squares. We cruise through these. Let's get rid of the negative 121, bring it over as positive. 64x squared equals 121. Divide by 64. Divide by 64, okay? And we get x squared equals 121 over 64. The x squared is alone on the left. Square root both sides. How convenient is it that both of these are lovely perfect squares? Everybody, x equals plus minus 11 over 8. Not difficult. The fraction can also be made up of perfect squares. Number 5 is D, okay? Cruising along. And then the last one, a little curveball, something that's not a perfect square. It happens. I'll try not to give you one of these on the quizzy. X squared, bring over the 10, that's negative, as positive 10. Go to work, square root, go to the calculator, x equals plus minus. The square root of 10 is about 3.16 if you go to the calculator. So we're talking C. I'll make sure they work out on the quiz. DCCADC. All right, y'all. Quizzy coming up next. Be well. Later.